Hey guys, I'm Jamie with Pelican Products, and we're here today at the California Overland and Powersports Show in Pomona. So we brought a little bit of everything. Obviously with this audience and this part of our product line, cargo and our cases that can be vehicle mounted are what we love to talk about and start with. Obviously our Pelican cargo cases were designed specifically to be vehicle mounted without having to drill your truck. So in this case, we're looking at a vehicle rooftop mount application where we've got our quick release rooftop mount. So you pull these pins out. If you have it locked to your truck, you can pull the lock off. And then this case just comes right off. So you don't have to leave your case on full time, which is nice. And then when you want it back on, you just clip it back in. And it's back on there. So cargo's a great option when you need kind of vary your storage. You don't always need it on the truck. You want to remove it sometimes, but also need a good deal of storage to get gear out of your truck. Cargo's awesome. We've got 4 different sizes of rooftop cargo cases and then 2 that can be mounted in the bed of your truck. Similar thing where, a lot of people have our existing legacy cases, as we call them, our protector, air, vault cases. And, historically people have been drilling through to mount them. So what we did was actually just released a small set of mounts. They can be mounted to any surface, really. It comes with hardware and holds onto the handles of our cases. So now you can actually mount your long case on the roof without drilling, which maintains the lifetime warranty that we've become so known for. And of course, with the long cases, you get the benefit of a lot of accessories that are already made for these, like our Easy Click MOLLE panels that you can mount in the lids. We've got lid struts and different things that you can mount and then take advantage of this. So really, really excited about this and something we're seeing become very popular. But it's not always about like the equipment storage on top of the truck. So oftentimes it's what you're putting in the truck. And that's where we're also really thinking through how our customers are using our products to transport, whether it's recovery gear, it's kitchen stuff, or Starlinks. And this is something our customers, you guys have been asking for quite a bit, which is I need a case to transport my Starlink Mini, my Starlink Standard Gen 3, you name it. So in the next couple of weeks here in early May, we're going to be launching Starlink custom foam solutions on our website. So you can go to pelican.com. You don't have to design your own foam. We'll have it pre-cut and, set up to hold everything you need for your Starlink Mini or Standard. Same thing on this one where, you've got all the accessories hidden beneath it. Everything's protected. Everything's got a place. So really excited about these as a way to kind of, take the voice of the customer and deliver solutions that, we all need. And, speaking personally, I use this stuff for myself. It's nice having everything in a Pelican case. I can keep it organized, but I can keep it protected, which is important. So really excited about these. Other than that, a lot of everything else we brought, it's the cases that we've been known for, showing off new colors, showing off interior organization solutions like our Trek Pack here in this carry-on case, coolers, a lot of exciting stuff. But the one big thing, and one thing we're really excited about, is our new travel line. So about 2 months ago, we launched our new luggage line. So we've got a couple different parts of it. We've got our Aegis. So these offer a little bit of protection there. It's a hard-sided EVA compression molded exterior, 2-wheel, polycarb back, still has a trolley handle, a lot lighter though. So and that's where this really excels. It's lightweight, really accessible. It's got grab handles all over. This is great when weight matters, but you need a carry-on solution. We also make this in a medium check-in and a large check-in size. So the Aegis rolling duffels are incredible. But to go along with that, we have our Aegis backpacks, same Pelican Shield technology with the EVA compression molded exterior. These are awesome because they offer a ton of protection, and then you can use what we're calling Pelican mod packs, which I'll go over in a sec, where you can now outfit the interior backpack as you want. We make different pouches and AV kits. We're coming out with some Velcro accessories pretty soon that you can stick on the inside. So you can make this your own and really outfit it the way you need for your mission using the MOLLE channels. So really excited about this. We also have our ATX luggage. We don't have that here, but that is your proper 4-wheeled, hard-sided spinner case that everybody's been asking for. And then of course you've got the OG. You've got the 1535, the 1615, the air cases, the travel 1535 travel. What's nice about this and why it fits into our travel line has a couple features. Built-in TSA locks in the latches, which is really nice. You can keep your case locked. And then you've obviously got the carry-on size, which is optimal for travel, On the inside, different than some of our 1535 standard cases, you get a built-in lid org for more travel optimized, and it comes with packing cubes, so you can pack it out. What I love about this case, I use this to travel a ton. It can do double duty. You can run it with packing cubes and clothes, or you can take a Trek Pack kit and fill it up with camera gear. You can do a little bit of both. It makes this a really extensible travel solution. So kind of thinking through what our customers need and how they travel, we've got options no matter how you travel. So that's the big news here at Pelican right now. Pelican, all of the travel, the Aegis, the Air, the ATX, all available on pelican.com right now in multiple sizes. So yeah, that rounds it out. I mean, we've got a couple of just gear totes, a lot of the mod pack accessories, kind of what I was talking about with the Aegis line, where, if you want packing cubes, you want a DOP kit, you want AV pouches for, just a day trip with your camera gear, we're making all that. We've got that, as well as obviously the micro and ruck cases, smaller gear organization, to really think through how you need to outfit for whatever your adventure is. And of course, you got to bring drinkware too. So we've got the drinkware featured over here with full line. So we've got a lot going on at Pelican, but definitely really leaning into the travel line, the vehicle cargo cases, things you vehicle mount, and then just always looking for new ways to use existing products. I mean, this case, this 1750 case, we've been making this for about 35 years, and people know it for, it's got a lot of different uses, but we're here to show, it can be a camp kitchen, it can be a recovery gear kit. You can use our Easy Click Molly panels to outfit the lid to hold your gear, so you can kind of make this a more extensible solution and really showing how you can use Pelican. Last little fun build we're doing, this is my personal air up kit, but again, just rethinking ARB makes some incredible stuff, and how do we use our cases to better align? So I can just keep this in my garage, and I know when I go camping, I have 3 cases I grab. This is one, and I have a big 1650 that I use as like my equipment case, and then I have a little TX80 adventure case that's my food. If I have those 3 cases, I have everything I need for a weekend out, which I love. So that's what's going on at Pelican. And visit our website, pelican.com. All of this is available now. And reach out to us on social if you have any questions.